Hello friends, in this video, we will see how to create a receipt in the inventory software. A receipt is a document acknowledging that a person has received money in payment following a sale or other transfer of goods or provision of a service. To create a receipt, we need to launch the Create Receipt dialog box. We can launch the Create Receipt dialog box using various methods. We can use the Quick Access panel on the left side of the window. Click on the Customer option and then click on the Receipt option. The Create Receipt dialog box will open. We can also click on the Transactions tab on the menu bar followed by clicking on the Receipt option and the dialog box will launch. We can simply press the F6 key on our keyboard and the Receipt dialog box will open. After that, we can feed the details. We can change the date as we can see here. Then we have to add the customer's name from whom we are receiving the payment, for example Satyam. To select a customer's name, you can start typing any part of the customer's name. The system will show the list of all matching ledgers. You can change the selection using the up or down arrow and then press the Enter key to select. After this, the balance amount is shown here for the particular ledger. We can then feed the amount received in this text box. Here, partial payment amount is also accepted. We can then select the payment mode by which we have received the payment. For example, cash or Paytm. We can then write a description if required. If we have received the payment via check, we can write the check number here, followed by the check date. If we want to maintain receipts against invoices, then we can select the invoice for which payment is being made. To do so, we need to click on the Add button as we can see here. After this, a search window opens where all the invoices in the name of the selected ledger is shown. Here we can also filter using invoice numbers. After this, we can select the invoice and then press the OK button. After this, the reference transaction invoice is attached to the receipt. Maintaining receipts against invoices is optional, and you can record receipts without adding invoice information also. Finally, we can click on the OK button and the receipt will be generated. We can then see the receipt in the receipt register. To open the receipt register, we can click on the Reports tab in the menu bar. Then we need to click on the Accounting Transaction Register. After that, select Receipt Register and the receipt register will open. We can filter the receipts after filling the duration dates here. And then clicking on the Show button. After this, we get the list of receipts for the selected duration. Hence, we can see the receipt is generated. We can edit the receipt using this Edit button after selecting the receipt. We can select any receipt and press the Delete button. The receipt will be deleted. We can take a print of the receipt register using the Print button we can see here. After we click on this, the print preview of the receipt register is generated. We can print the register from here. We can also send the register as SMS or WhatsApp, save as PDF or save as Excel file. To print a receipt, we have to click on the Print Voucher option and the print preview will open. We can take print using the Print button that we can see here. We can also save the receipt as PDF using Save as PDF button. After clicking on this button, the receipt is saved as PDF in the path directory that we can see here. We can open the folder in which it is saved by clicking on the Open Folder button. As we can see here, the receipt is saved. So we understood how to create a receipt and then how to edit, delete, and print the receipt. Thank you.